Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the isarcextract issue that can appear during large game installations. This type of error usually happens because of corrupted files, low RAM, antivirus interference, or insufficient disk space. First, make sure your downloaded files are completely intact. If possible, verify the files using the provided checksum or verification tool. Corrupted downloads are one of the most common causes of extraction errors. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or Windows Defender during installation because security software can sometimes block or quarantine necessary setup files. Also, run the installer as administrator to avoid permission problems. Make sure you have enough free disk space on the drive where you're installing the game. It's recommended to have significantly more space than the final game size. If you have limited RAM, close background programs before starting the setup. If the error continues, try reinstalling the game files from a clean source. These steps usually resolve isarc extraction issues during installation. Subscribe the channel for more videos.